Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to check your Wi-Fi password in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. At first, when you're on your desktop, just go in your taskbar, and from here you need to right click on your network, and now click on Open Network and Internet Settings. So now make sure you're on Wi-Fi or Internet Ethernet, because we must go here, Network and Sharing Center. And if you're connected with Ethernet, you won't be able to see your password in this way. In other ways, yeah, you can, but this way is only for Wi-Fi. So click here on Wi-Fi, and now go in wireless properties, go in security, and as you can see, network security key. And when we go, show characters, let's make it again, because I missed something. And when you check here on this show characters, as you can see, you're able to see your password, your Wi-Fi password. So guys, that was how to check your Wi-Fi password, and it's easy and simple. That was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below in the video. Down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So see you next video. Bye.